Good morning. It is, what time is it? 7:30 or 8?
8.
It's around 8 o'clock. We're a little bit earlier than we were yesterday, a lot earlier. And so I am so glad to be here with Rachel again. I'm lucky to have her. She is going to school at BYU and she's here for the week and to celebrate with family, and I am so excited to have her. She is just the most awesome cheerleader, motivator, encourager, so enthusiastic. It's so fun to play ball with her, and it's fun to play with somebody else too. And so my cute daughter, love her so much. Oh. So today we're going to warm up. We're gonna stretch, warm up our dribbles, warm up our shots, and then we're going to practice some more free throws. But we're going to practice especially doing some form shots, and then we'll think of what we want to do because we want to keep progressing and keep getting better. So we'll let you know. Okay, wait, come here. Yeah. All right. So
This is my favorite form of traveling.
yes. So what we're going to do today? Come closer.
No, because the shadow is in my face.
Oh. So what we're going to do today is here. What if we do that? No, let's see. Right there. Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to play basically a game of horse. Or not a horse, we're going to go around the world, which is just going around the key.
This is my favorite form of traveling.
Yeah, around the world. We're going to travel around the world.
We're going to play this little shooting game. You guys probably call it Around the World.
In a game of Around the World.
That was great.
Thank you.
Hi, we're going to show you a tutorial on how to play around the world in basketball.
Here we go. You guys are up first. So as soon as you make it, you move to the next spot.
Just in case you don't know what around the world is, there are cones on the court. Each cone, you have to make a shot there. Once you make the shot there, it is done. You do not have to make a shot there again. Whoever gets it in the least amount of time is the winner.
It's time.
It's time.
I'm ready.
Gonna ball out.
I'm gonna get this dub in around the world. I'm gonna go all the way around the world and get this dub. That's what I do. Big things popping, little things stopping.
So we're going to play that around the world and see how many shots it takes for us to get each spot. And the reason we're going to do this, we're going to spend more time focusing and taking time to try and improve our form as we shoot instead of just randomly trying to make shots. We're going to try to focus on keeping our shooting arm straight and pointing it towards the basket and working on that shooting form. So let's do this. It's going to be hard shooting from that side because the sun's in our eyes, but we'll do our best. This is a shot. It's 1, 2, 3, foul shot, 3, and then all the way back. Okay, so I don't know how to play. How do you... Actually, what happens is you shoot and then I shoot and you can't move. So, here, tell me if I make it. Nope. Nope.
Oh, that's a fact. I want you to make it.
All right, it's your turn now. No, you don't. We might skip this one. Just because you can't see the sun's in your eyes.
Oh, man, overshot.
Yeah, now I go.
Yeah.
We could do two and then. Yeah, no. That was not it. Okay, try again. If we don't get it within 3 shots on this one, let's move on because we're not doing anything for skill.
Oh. Well, I don't have much form when I'm trying to see
Yeah,
it.
we can't. Yeah, we can't. Oh, okay. Let's move to this one. So let's start. Okay, we're skipping this one by.
Here's default.
Yes. Oh. Am I? Yeah. Okay, you go. So you just go right after me. Just get your rebound. Yeah. Oh. Why did I have your rebound?
I guess I'm just taking a break. Yeah.
Okay, so form.
Okay.
Yep, that's right. But you can move on. But I'm going to.
Where do I move to?
The corner.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you go there. Oh! I think you're gonna win.
I don't know. I'm gonna make it work.
Yeah! Go ahead. Like me, Mom. Of course I can. It's fair. Fair game.
Your video. I'm not going back.
You have to
You're supposed to go back.
go back. Where?
Back
No, that's not how we're playing.
I'm good.
Okay, go ahead. That's when we get better. All right. Now
Get
get
it?
on you. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so focus on form.
There you go. That's good fun. I like that.
But I didn't quite have my letter C.
Bigger.
Yeah, so we're thanks.
Just watching it.
Here we go.
That's good, Mom.
No, you're not supposed to go out of turn.
Do the cheap shot right now. Look at my
Okay, your turn. You're supposed to well,
Right.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
what I was
nice.
going to.
go. Sorry. This is part of the cardio. Sleep. Yes.
You're good, go, Mama.
You're sorry, you can't let me win. Oh. Now we go back.
No.
Right there. So should we call it? Okay.
I want to try to actually make it. I want to try to make it.
Okay. We're only going one way or one camera. Huh? Yes. Yes. Okay, one more. Oh, this one. This one's just almost lift them. Yeah. That's it. Woo! Woo! All right. We only went once. Oh. There's a ball there. So.
Sorry.
Oh, come on this side. Okay. We only went once around. I mean, we were supposed to go back around the other way because we have to get back because Rachel has to work. But we were able to. I almost was. You almost beat me. Like.
Yeah.
You were just cruising around there.
Mom, I said, you can't let me win.
I'm like, hey, it's fair game.
And she didn't let me win.
We just do our best. But I really feel that it's making a difference, all the practice and stuff. And so we'll be back again on Monday because it's Friday. We're going to take the weekend off. I'm probably going to come tomorrow just to
get some extra practice.
Yeah, get some extra shots in. But I probably won't. I won't film it, but I might film it.
BYU day tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, we could do that.
We're gonna do a special bonus one.
Yeah.
Saturday.
All right, there you go. Bonus. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow then.